Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathenius the Mathematical Genius. So today we are just going to calculate how to find modulo with a scientific calculator. So without wasting any time, just go ahead and push that little subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. And let's start the video. So we are going to find a mod of b. For finding a mod of b on a scientific calculator, we will use this algorithm written on your screens: a minus a divided by b multiplied by b. Just remember this algorithm if you wanted to find it on the scientific calculator. If you wanted to find modulo on a scientific calculator, always remember this algorithm. So now simply let's take an example: 5573 mod of 91. We know that 5573 mod of 91 is equals to 22. So let's try to finding out 5573 mod of 91 on a scientific calculator. You can see that on the right hand side of the screen that there is a scientific calculator. It is a Casio scientific calculator 991 ES. So simply 5573 mod of 91, by comparing this mod with this mod, we gradually find the value of a and b. So a is equal to 5573 and b is equals to 91. So simply put the value of a and b in this algorithm, we will find that 5573 mod of 91 is equals to 5573 minus 5573 divided by 91 multiplied by 91. If we wanted to calculate 5573 mod of 91 on the calculator, we have to put this algorithm on the calculator. So before putting this algorithm, we have to make changes on some scientific calculator. Just go ahead on your scientific calculator and simply press the modulo button, mod, and then just press 4. When you press both of them, just simply go ahead and paste this algorithm on your scientific calculator. 5573 minus 5573 divided by 91 multiplied by 91. After applying this algorithm on your scientific calculator, just press enter button. You clearly see that we have gradually find 22, which is 5573 mod of 91. So with the help of scientific calculator, we can also find modulo. So this is the correct one. So let's take another example: 1766 mod of 30. We know that 1766 mod of 30 is equals to 26. Let's try it on the scientific calculator. Is 26 or not? So simply for scientific calculator, we will equate this mod with this a mod b. So for this question, a is equal to 1766 and b is equals to 30. So now simply we are going 1766 mod of 30 is equal to 1766 minus 1766 divided by 30 multiplied by 30. So for finding 1766 mod of 30, we are going to pasting this algorithm on the scientific calculator. Always remember, before applying the algorithm on the scientific calculator, just make this change to your calculator. So simply put mod and then press 4. Always do this trick before going to evaluate any of the mod on the calculator. So simply 1766 minus 1766 divided by 30 multiplied by 30. When you apply this algorithm successfully on the calculator, just press the equality button just at the bottom of the calculator. You will gradually find the 26. So we can say that we can also find the modulo with the help of a scientific calculator by using this algorithm. If you found this video helpful, just press the subscribe button, push the like button, and comment me if you have any questions